O'Brien.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Yesterday's gone. Tomorrow's not here. What are you doing right now? Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 82. Nasdaq's up 24. S&Ps are up 8.5. Gold contract down $2.10, trading at $12.51 an ounce. Silver up 5 cents, $15.86 an ounce. Copper up a penny at $2.95 a pound. Light sweet crude up 65 cents, $57.37 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note up 1 tick, 124.10. 30-year bond up 2, 152.30. King dollar's up 86 ticks, trading 93.500. King dollar continues to have a hard time holding price. The euro is at 117 3/4 to the U.S. dollar. The yen is trading out here at 113 1/2 to the U.S. dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. So first, let's take a look at the world of the S&Ps using the SPY. So what we have out here is this. We go south this week, well, last Friday. So first off, last Friday, we have a high volume low out here that wants to get tested. That high volume low, $260.76. We come down with 164 million shares. Bottom line, you're going into that area with 43. Now that's on the daily. We take this and we put this on the weekly, and what you're going to see here on the weekly, what we've done is this. We've got over the high of last week. We've had lighter volume, and we're going to close at lower price. That is typically a test. You have the test on lighter volume. You close underneath it, and that's saying that you're going to pull back. Last week, the high was 266.05. We did 521 million. This week, we got over that high. Right now, you're at 368 million. So the way that's set up, that's set up that we can make a run, number one, to the high volume low on the daily, 260. More than likely, you're going to make a run to 270, 257. 257 is just bottom line where last time that we had volume, which was on the week of the 27th of October. Now, let's go into the NDX 100. So the NDX 100, that little baby comes down also with volume. We do a counter trend bounce with light volume. The difference in the NDX 100 is this, folks, is that each day since last Friday that we came down hard, the NDX 100 has been selling off coming into the close. So your high volume low on the NDX 100, that's already got tested. That was 153. We went from a price point of 157 to 153. On Tuesday, we got down to 152.10. What we're doing now, you're going up and you're going into that downdraft with dramatically lighter volume. The key here, out here today, is going to be this. We hit $155.53 today. You're coming into a separate downdraft that came out here on Monday. You're doing that with 51 million. You're going to do 21 million. If we get the same type of sell-off, which I expect we're going to do coming into this close out here, and we get a close inside the Qs at 154.55 or lower, which is 12 more cents from where we are, that would be another failure. And where I'm going with that number there was the high of Tuesday. So right now we're trading over it. You close underneath it. It's like, you know what? They like selling this baby off, which is a change, a dramatic change, by the way, how this market has traded for quite some time. Now, gold contract. Let's get into that gold contract. So, gold contract out here, GCG8. Gold contract gets down to a price point today of $1244.40. We rejected lower price. You've done 265,000 contracts. So for a Friday, not bad. bottom line, now what gold is going to need to do is this. So what gold had done, gold come down yesterday on 326,000. You did 265 today. So you have the rejection of price. Now what we need is coming into next week, you need a sign of strength. Now, which is going to be pretty wild is this, is that we have the Fed meeting on the 13th, 12th and 13th. So bottom line, right now, the probability is very high, meaning 98% that they're going to go up on short-term rates. So the market knows that. The kicker here is going to be, what the market doesn't know is that what is going to be inside the statement that the Fed comes out with, and that statement very well may give us an indication of how many times short-term rates are going to rise in the 2018 year. We're right next to it. This is where we are right now. So I expect that's what you're going to see. If we go take a look at the rest of the commodity market out here, in general, these commodities have got whacked, and they've got whacked pretty good. Today, you still had sugar down 1.8%. Soybeans are down 0.2%. Gold was basically down 1/10. Natural gas. So let's go to natural gas. We have a lot of traders that are looking at the natural gas market. Natural gas got down to a price point today of $2.77. You're at $2.79 right now. Bottom line, folks, it doesn't look to me like this natural gas market has bottomed. If you take a look at the natural gas market and you go back and we put this on a continuous contract, what you're going to see out here that is laying out here that is really dangerous inside the natural gas market is that we've been in this consolidation. Now, the consolidation that we've been in started in July of 2016. I expect you're going to see natural gas run down to this 252. You know, we got into the 275 area today. Cold fronts are coming in everywhere. That's the bottom line. And guess what? It doesn't matter. You know, bottom line, looks like we got more natural gas. So more supply than demand. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. You have the Dow Industrials up 88, NASDAQ up 25, S&P's up 9. We're coming right back.